Look at Charlie go. Hadley, don't you want to dance with Charlie? Look at him go.
Hadley, does Charlie bore you?
You're a good dancer.
She's like, can you learn something else besides the bounce?
Some good, like, wild thigh workout.
This is gonna be shaky.
He's gonna have like a.
She's watching.
I
now.
know.
Look. What in the heck? Oh, here you go. You're going side to side.
Can you sway, Hadley? Come on, Hadley,
Side to
dance.
side. Go to the side to side, Charlie.
Can you dance, sweetie? There you go.
Way to let loose, Hadley. Really rocking out.
Oh, sweetheart, dance. It's okay. Can you shake? Can you bounce up and down? Can you shake? Can you shake? There you go.
Did you say?